Today I'm just going to head over next door to Greg's, my neighbour, and see what they're up to. So I think I'll just do a quick pit stop at this old John Deere CTS harvester that caught on fire last week, or 2 weeks ago, see what the damage is. I think they said the header is 25 years old and they've still got to get John Deere to come out and have a look at it, but I think it's doubtful that it will be able to be fixed. But anyway, I'm not sure.
Whether you wanted to get on or not. I thought, oh, you won't be there if you want to get on.
I was waiting to get a good thumbnail for the next video.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I went and had a look at the header.
Yeah. How's it look? You going to buy it still or?
Pardon?
You going to buy it still?
You going to get it going?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not touching them. You got the other one going.
Oh, did he? Oh, that's good. So, it would be a complete write-off, wouldn't it?
Yeah, no, she's stuffed.
Yeah.
She wouldn't work fixed the whole bloody thing.
Little belly just there.
How come she didn't get in? Look, she's waving to me.
I left her some water.
Oh, yeah. This big block here, we can usually do it a day or a day and a half. It's bloody this is the 4th day. It's just slow going and so wet.
All the, well, you got a lot of spraying to do.
Can you drive a spray bit?
No.
You want to learn?
No, I don't want to learn.
There's a lot of spraying to do, isn't there? Actually, I reckon they've gone this morning, told him to go down and have a look at the lease and the Highland Plain there. The barley's coming out ahead again.
So, shame you can't let it all come up again and harvest it.
Yeah. Just only got that high. Just too hot for it now.
So it would just die anyway?
Yeah, just die off. See all the different colour stuff, like the lighter brown? That's all flares.
Oh, right.
Yeah. It's hard to strip, it's hard to choke the head up and get too much in there.
At least you got something to strip though, don't you?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Can't believe how much it's sinking into the ground.
Yeah. It's heavy going.
So you'd have how many hectares to go?
I worked out this morning, 650 hectares to go, and that's not counting the barley. A bit like the barley might be right off. I shouldn't say that though, because it'll be slow going, it's all flat in the ground.
Yeah. I thought you'd finish barley, but so you've still got some to go.
All that stuff around Greg's house, the stuff in the ground, right. It's all barley. We'll have to do all that. If we can get rid of it, no one's taken, I don't think.
So what, they won't take it in town anymore?
No.
So what do you have to store it?
I don't know, what are we going to do with it?
You might have to dump it on the ground.
Or put it in the shed and see if we can get rid of it later.
Yeah.
Or
the fire start in the header, did you know?
Underneath the auger, the unload auger, it was underneath there somewhere.
Oh.
And then the header had an oil leak, I think, and you just couldn't put it out in time. Yeah, Buzz, don't take the fence out. No? I have a schooner now, don't I? A couple of schooners.
Because you lowered the
No,
thing.
I owe him something for getting out and doing that for me.
You're going to go and better run over and tidy up his cab or something.
Yeah, I better do that. Run over him. Where's he at? John?
He's just running behind the bin.
You're a good man, Will. I owe you a couple of beers for that. Thanks for that. You like Pink Floyd?
No, never really got into Pink Floyd.
Yeah, I don't mind a bit of Pink Floyd. Just listen to Pink Floyd now. They must have been whacked out people when they sung this, wrote the music though.
Oh, I reckon LSD
Jeez,
and all that stuff.
I don't know how you come up with some of them.
Even, yeah, some of the books that have been written in that time as well.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I reckon if you would remember the 60s, you weren't there.
If you could remember them.
If you remember, you weren't there. That's what I reckon. 60s and 70s. If you remember them, you weren't there.
Probably got half the crop on the ground.
Yeah, it's shelling out fairly bad because of the wet weather and stuff.
Yeah.
Getting a bit old. And well, Dan, I was talking to Dan Reed and he's not going to grow this right again at all. Shelled out on him.
Oh, really? What a shame.
Yeah.
So what, just this variety?
Well, he said that just the Mustang, but I think it would be the wet weather.
Do you grow the same variety all over, or do you?
No, it's 3 or 4 different varieties.
Yeah. Just to see what goes best.
It's best what they suit here, yeah. But I was
Do you
talking.
grow durum?
No. I was talking to agronomist and he said that most of the wheat's shelled out this year though. It's not only this Friday.
So you're going to do a bit of welding. What's happened?
The spring hangers just wore out. I've done this side here before, so I just cut a piece of leaf spring and put it in there and you just weld it in. I just thought I'd do it while I had the weld. I've got this sitting in place here now. I'll just let the jack down on it. Sit like that.
Oh, right, and then weld it on.
And it's welded in there and it's just like a little slip of wear plate.
Nifty.
Right, and I'll weld it in. wire comes out like that.
Oh.
And this shield keeps the gas over the weld to protect the weld while it's welding.
Where's the wire?
Inside there.
Inside the box.
Just don't look at the weld yourself. You're right.
Alright.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
That's good enough for that. Pretty good for an amateur.
Nice. So what happened with this tyre?
We have separation. It blew out and it had good tread on it. It blew out and it took the mudguard and
Wow.
all the front off the truck, so it's made a bit of a mess.
I'll say. Is this the truck that ran off the road?
Yeah.
Where's the truck now? Oh, it's over there.
just over there.
Oh, we'll go and have a look at it.
Well, that's the tyre blew out. It broke the power steering pump clean off the engine. I got it held up there with a piece of wire. It took all the mudguard off. Busted all the bonnet. Flipped the mirror around. Bent all this down.
So it ran off the road completely into the fence.
No, just out the edge of the road. Lucky it didn't roll over.
So no chance of getting a new bonnet.
Oh, I don't think so. You might find a second-hand one somewhere.
But as you say, the truck needs a new clutch and everything.
Clutch in it, and a few other things needs doing to it.
So what?
Is today you can put 30,000 into things here and still got a $14,000 truck.
Yeah. Oh well, so you're down a truck now.
Down one.
Yeah, because it's just had it, hasn't it? Oh well.
It's a shame. I mean, anyway, these things happen. I've heard of people putting new tyres on trucks and going a couple of miles up the road and the tyres blow out, so, you know.
Greg's coming to mow your track. So Greg's mowing our 4-kilometre return walking bike track today as it's gotten so overgrown during harvest season.